Hello friends, welcome. In this video tutorial what we're going to see how to convert a decimal number to the binary, as well as we're going to convert to the hexadecimal. In previous video we only did like decimal to binary, binary to decimal, and decimal binary to hexadecimal. But in this video we're going to see all the topics in one video. So if you haven't subscribed and like my channel, please like if you like, and let's get started. So as we know, what is our first step? If you already have watched my video, you know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to first make a sort of table, and table would be, it start with 1, and I'm going to double it every time. So 1 2 4 8 16 32 64, and next would be 128, but 128 is bigger than 90, so I'm not going to worry about that much. So until then, our next step is 90 minus 64, and that would give us 26. Yeah, so I'm going to put 1 here. So 26 is bigger than 32? No. Then I'm going to put 0. 26 is bigger than 16? Yes. So minus 16. And I'm going to put 1 here. So 0 and 1. So 10. 10 is bigger than 8? Yes. I'm going to put 1 here. 8. Now 2. 4 is bigger, 2 is bigger than 4? No. So 0. So I can deduct 2 from 2? Yes. So 2 minus 2, and it's 0. So 1, and since we don't have anything, so it's 0. So now we know our binary number is 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, and next step would be, I'm going to do, so 1 0 1 0, that's 4, and I'm going to separate that. So 1 0 and 1. So I separated in a 4, so basically a chunk of 4. So 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, that's a chunk number 1, and that's chunk number 2. If you want to add 0 here, you can make it all 4. So I'm going to do 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 and 8. So we already have this binary number. Now we are converting to the hexadecimal. So what is the thing? When there is a 0, we don't worry about this one. 1, I'm going to say 2 here. There is a 0, so I'm not worried about this one. There is a 1, so I'm going to add. So for this chunk I get 10. I have 1, yes, so I'm going to add 1 here. 0, no worry about this one. 1, I'm going to add. Oops, sorry, that's a 4. So its total is 5, because this is the 4. So let me remove. Because this is a 4, so this is a 5, this is a 10, and as we know in a hexadecimal, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and there is no 10, so it's A equal to 10 and B equal to 11. So that's how it starts. So since we have 10, so we can represent as A. So hexadecimal is 5A. So this is our binary number, and 5A is our hexadecimal for 90. So hope you like my video, and if you get it, so please like, share and subscribe, and we will see you next video. Until then, bye bye.